Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I have just a quick cleaning motivational video for you. My bedroom has been a disaster for quite a while, and if you saw my last video, you know that my entire house has been a disaster, and we are also still in the process of moving. I'm just trying to make more cleaning videos. It does help me. It motivates me to actually get up and get some stuff done, and it also motivates you guys because then you guys get up and get some stuff done. You might not be moving like I am, but I know that you probably have a little mess somewhere in your house. So turn the volume up on your cell phone or tablet or iPod or computer or whatever, and enjoy the music and get some cleaning motivation while you're at it. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments down below what you guys decided to clean while watching or listening to this video. All right, guys, enjoy.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
Okay, so my bedroom is not perfect, but it looks a lot better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks, guys.